I'm Avery Cox. I'm an interior designer based in Austin, Texas, and I am one of the designers in this year's Kips Bay Show House. We are in our listening lounge. We designed this room as a very comfortable place to sit, relax, listen to a record, have a drink, really just be kind of a cozy, cool spot. We chose this color. It's called Robin's Nest by Benjamin Moore. This color to me represents a very iconic color throughout American design. Lots of designers throughout history have used it. It's also a very personal color to me. The color of my entry hall as a kid was painted this color. So I was excited to sort of attempt to take our place in the history of designers who have tried to use this challenging hue. The color can go green or blue depending on what time of day you're in the space. It's also just a really bold color to wash a room in, and that's something that we do a lot. Take risks with color and use bold hues, and then I think the difficult part is balancing it with all the other color in the room and making sure it doesn't feel too juvenile or one note. That's something we've really focused on doing here in our room at Kips Bay. I want people to feel like they've entered another world, like they're in some downtown New York old building with somebody, playing trumpet out on the fire escape or the traffic down below, but you feel like you're in this cozy, emotional space that feels nostalgic and classic, timeless, but at the same time, has all these elements of modern art and lines and furniture. As I was thinking about our listening lounge as a place to put on a record or to sit and read a book, but really to just relax with friends, maybe have a glass of wine or coffee in the morning and have the full ambiance. When I think of some of the great artistic creators in music, I think about jazz just as a genre. And of course, with the color of our room, I thought, well, maybe there's something with Miles Davis and Kind of Blue, and it's one of the first records I owned in my vinyl collection. And as I was looking at the track list, there's one called Blue and Green, and I thought, well, that's literally the description of the color of the room. And so I was just excited to maybe tie that in. Subtitling our room Blue and Green, it nods to all the icons and all the greats of the past that we're just inspired by and hoping to do right by. I think what we're really good at is staying rooted in history. I think that's why a lot of our work feels old and feels collected and layered. I think this room does that really well. There's a lot of modern and contemporary elements. It's definitely got a unique lens applied to this historical concept, but it's stayed rooted in history and in classical interiors. So that's something that we really try to celebrate.